Find the square root using division method. How we can find the square root of a number using division method? Let us do one example. Here one number 256. First we want to pair number. Here 56 in one group and 2 is in another group. Then we want to know the numbers, that is square numbers. They are 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, etc. Here 2 is lies between 1 and 4. Since 2 is a number and that lies between the square numbers 1 and 4. So we want to write the number 1 here and that 1 should be here. Then multiplied 1 and 1. Then it is 1 here. Then subtracting we will get 1. Then put 5, 6 together. Then write the double of 1. Here the 1, then double of 1 we want to write. Double of 1 is 2. Then we want to check the number 6 and the numbers ending with the 6. That means square numbers ending with the 6 are 4 and 6. So first we want to write 4 for checking. Here 4, 4. That number we want to write here. 4 4s are 16. 4 2s are 8 plus 1, 9. But these two numbers are here, the difference between these two numbers are very large. Then we want to check whether it is 6. That means we want to write here 6. So 6, here also 6. Then multiplied 6 into 6, 36. 3 is remaining. 6 into 2, 12 plus 3, 15. So we get the remainder 0. So root 256 is equal to 60. Another one 441. First we want to make it a group. Then we want to know the square numbers 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, etc. Here 4, that is, this is the square number. So we want to write 2 here, that 2 should be here. Then 2 into 2, 4. After subtracting we will get 0. Then 41. Then double of 2 we want to write. Double of 2 is 4. Then since the number ending with 1, either the number be 9 or 1. First we want to check whether it is 1. Then 1 we want to write here. Then 1 into 1, 1. 1 into 4, 4. So we got the remainder as 0. So root 441 equal to 21. Another number 729. First we want to make it a pair. Since 7 lies between 4 and 9. We want to write 2. That 2 should be here. 2 2s are 4. Then subtracting we will get 3. Then write 29 together. Then double of 2 we want to write 4. Since the number is ending with a 9, either 3 or 7. First we want to write whether 3 here. Then 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12. So the difference is very large. So we want to check whether it is satisfied for 7. Then we are writing 7. That should be here. 7 into 7, 49. 4 is there. 7 into 4, 28 plus 4, 32. The remainder is 0. So root 729 is equal to 27. Then if 4 digits are there, what we want to do? For example, 1, 2, 2, 5. Again we want to pair, that means we want to take the numbers from this side. Then make it pair. So 25 in one pair and 12 in another pair. Then like the previous method, we want to check 12 in which numbers it lies, between which numbers. So it lies between 9 and 16. So we want to write 3. 3 3s are 9. Then 12 minus 9 is 3. Write down 25. Then double of 3 is 6. Then we want to write, since the number ending with 5, only the one number, that is 5 itself, ending with 5. So we want to write 5 here. So 5 5s are 25, 5 6 are 30 plus 2, 32. Then we got root 1 2 2 5 is equal to 35. For next number 2401, we want to pair 2401. 24 lies between 16 and 25. So 4 4s are 16. Then after subtracting we will get 8. Then write 0 1 here. Double of 4 is 8. Since the number ending with 1, so if we are writing 1 here, it is not correct answer. Then let us write 9. Then 9 9s are 81, 9 8s are 72 plus 8 80. So root 2401 is equal to 49. Another question, 7 9 2 1. Make it a pair. 79 lies between 64 and 81. So we want to write 8 here, since 8 square is 64 and 9 square is 81. 8. Then 8 into 8 64. After subtracting we will get 5 1 15. Then write 21. Then double of 8, that is double of 8 we want to write. Here 16 we want to write. Double of 8 is 16. Then the number is ending with 1. Either it is 1 or 9. Since if you are writing 1, then 161 into 1, it is 161 itself. So if you are writing 9, let us check whether it is correct. 9 9s are 81, 8, 9 6 are 54 plus 8, 62, 9 into 1, 9 plus 6, 50. So 1521. So root 7921 is equal to 89. Another one, 3136. Make it a pair. 31 lies between 5 and 6. So we want to write 5. 5 5s are 25. Subtracting 6, write 36 here. Then double of 5, 10. Since the number ending with the 6, either it is 4 or 6. So here we can write 6. 6 6 are 36. 3 6 into 1 6. So root 3136 is equal to 56. Then next question, 1764. Make it a pair. 17 lies between 4 and 5. So we want to write 4. 4 4s are 16. 1. Write down 64. Double of 4 is 8. Since the number ending with the 4, let us write 2 here. Here also 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 8s are 16. So root 1764 is equal to 42. I think you clear all the steps. So please watch it 2 or 3 times, then only you will get the